Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can handle custom documentation. So first thing first, to handle customer documentation when importing from Alibaba, you need to manage the process yourself or even hire a custom broker or freight forwarder. So what happens is generally an importer is responsible for ensuring all the regulations of the destination country are met. So the steps could include shipping terms. So first of all, you have to decide on your shipping terms. So you can either use DDP, which is delivery duty paid, or simply DDU, which is delivery duty unpaid. The difference between two is that in DDP, the supplier or their agent handles and pays all the import duties and taxes. For DDU, the buyer, or maybe you in the case, is responsible for paying duties and taxes and managing the custom process in the destination country. Second is preparing necessary documents. The documentation could include commercial invoices, packaging list, AWB, which is your waybill, or bill of lading. And likewise, certificate of origin that the product is genuine and confirms the country where the goods were manufactured, the import license, and custom forms. So thirdly, you have to utilize professionals. So for most importers, especially those new to international trade, hiring a custom broker or freight forwarder is highly recommended. And these professionals can file the necessary custom entries, classify your goods using the correct harmonized tariff schedule, and lastly, track and stay informed. You will be given the tracking number provided by the shipping company to monitor your package progress. This will help you anticipate any potential custom processing delays, and you can also make sure that you are aware of your country's de minimis value, the minimum taxable threshold for imported goods. And likewise, that can help you estimate potential duties and taxes. And likewise, if you would like to read more, there is a site for that. So there is a site called alibaba.com and space reads. It will tell you what you need to know about custom clearing and processes. So guys, these are all the things that you should know. Thank you for watching.